Are you 65 years or older? Is your body feeling even older than that? Are you getting ready for a joint replacement surgery? Are you having back pain and neck pain that just won't go away? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand how physical therapy at CORE Therapy and Pilates can help you and how your Medicare can pick up the bill. For the best advice on staying active and fit with our physical therapy, Pilates, and Gyrotonic programs, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. It'd be awesome if you did that. I've helped hundreds of patients with spinal pain, hip and knee pain, neck and shoulder pain over my 23 years of being a physical therapist. And I know I can help you too. Yes, Medicare will pay for your physical therapy after a total knee replacement, a total hip replacement, shoulder surgery, spinal surgery. It'll also pay for your physical therapy for back pain, hip or knee arthritis, neck pain, headaches, carpal tunnel syndrome, and so on and so forth. It will pay for many things pre-surgery. It'll pay for things after surgery. So let's discuss. First of all, you need to be 65 years old and you need to no longer be working to have Medicare. Second, you'll need to obtain a doctor's referral for physical therapy no later than 10 days after your initial evaluation. So we can evaluate you, start the process, send a note to your doctor, and we need that signed back within 10 days. And last, your financial responsibility will typically be around $20 a session. Medicare will pick up the rest, and if you have a secondary plan, they will pick up the $20. So we find that about 10% of Medicare patients don't have a secondary plan and the rest do. So that means 90% of Medicare folks will not be paying for any of the services. If you want to join a growing community of people like you, like-minded, looking to stay active and fit, then check out our Facebook group. It's called Connecting with CORE, and follow the link below in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, share with friends, subscribe to our channel, and check out our next video. We'll see you later.